Hey guys, Carlo from Over 50 Mountain Bike Slayer. Unfortunately here in Malaysia we are again in the lockdown. They say 2 weeks total lockdown, even the factory close. Maybe will be extend more. Unfortunately these things looks like never ending. This time they don't even allow cycling. The last few MCO, movement control, we were allowed to cycling. Now we are just allowed to walk outside, make some jogging, exercise, but unfortunately cycling not. Well, I blame especially all those road riders that inspired the rule for the past 1 year was to ride in a single, maximum 2 rider. But they keep riding in peloton or group of 4, 5, 6. This is the result. I'm doing some maintenance, cleaning to the bikes, which is boring. I think you can see all this kind of maintenance, bike installation on proper video, proper mechanic. I think I will engage in a different project. I have an idea. I have a small store full of mess where I keep some bicycle tool. I bought some new bicycle tool. I think I want to rebuild it, maybe put up a panel where I can stick all my tool on the wall. So shortly I'll give you a tour of how is it now the store, and then maybe I'll try to shoot a movie, a short movie on my renovation and see how is it come. So stay with me, see you later. Okay, here is the store. Unfortunately the lighting is not really good, but that will be part of the renovation. So luggage, vacuum, electrical panel. This is the panel that I will fit into this wall, and then I want to stick all my new tools, my old tools. I have some participation medal. I win 2 races in my life. More tools, cabinet full of stuff. Some of this is good stuff, some other is junk, so I need to go through and clear, find a proper place for all these things. So I think I have enough time. Hopefully the vaccination campaign will continue and go even faster, because it's the only way out. I got my first AZ injection. I hope to get my second soon, so I will be fully protected also from these new variants. Okay, here I'm ready to paint the first panel. The next one, sorry, it's a bit dark inside here. Okay, now you can see. I'm put a couple of weight on top to trying to flatten it. Hopefully it's just slightly bended, the curvature is not so good. I choose this supposed to be bluish gray because it will match with the tabletop, with the top, the cabinet top. So let's try and commence. Maybe I'll do some building laps. Okay, I painted the 2 panels in my style, probably second time in my life that I paint something. Every time there is something new to learn. Alright, it continues. doesn't keep open, but yeah, the store is finished. So here we go. I'll give you a complete tour. Okay. Enter from here, and I put an hanger here to hang the ladder, and here we go. Some extra tool here. I think it's basically completed. And hop, and hop. Then down here we have some more store with the light. See, I have some spare, I have some brake grips, I have one shocks, I have hubs, grips, more grips, pedals, flat pedals and other pedals, tire. These are the race tire with the downhill casing, spare trail tire, some shampoo for the bike, my participation medals. Here we have automatic light. I fixed all the stuff that was on top of the table, bulbs and lights, spare lights, and aircon remote. And here there is some other junk. There is the empty toolbox and this paint and some sandpaper. So basically that's it. Here there is some other junks and things, but the most important is done. Here we have some other stuff. Yeah, I would say completed. Full face helmet, racing goggles, extra tape, some nice stickers, AT, Crank Brothers, Specialized, Red Grip, Invisi Frame, Rock Shock, Mark off. Yeah. My man cave is completed, small man cave. We still have another 2 weeks of lockdown and no cycling. See you again guys, enjoy, I hope to see you on the trail soon.